Hi, I'm Jonathan Bardzik. I know you gardeners out there grow vegetables for several different reasons. First of all, it's a lot of fun. It's also great to know where and how your vegetables were grown and how they got to your table. And homegrown vegetables just taste so much better. I'm here in the garden today picking a vegetable that I also grow for multiple reasons. This is Antares Fennel. It's an All-America Selections Award winner. What does that mean? Well, it means it's been trialed across North America and determined to have outstanding garden value, which means it's fun to grow and delicious to eat. There are 5 reasons that I grow it. The first is it's beautiful. This will look as good in a container of flowers as it does in the garden. Number 2, it provides food for pollinators, especially those caterpillars that turn into beautiful swallowtail butterflies. Number 3 is the seed, and number 4 is the pollen. They're both edible and both delicious. Just ask your favorite foodie. Number 5, my favorite part of the plant, is this crisp bulb. It's delicious and refreshing, and I'm gonna chop it up today and use it with a few other All-America Award winners to make a great nutty crisp salad. Let's hit the kitchen. First, we're gonna cut up our fennel bulb. Remove the fronds. Then we cut the bulb in half. Once you do that, in the middle you see this hard white core. I'm gonna cut that out. It's just too tough to eat. Then we'll thinly slice our bulb. Next, I'm gonna add some Delizz Strawberries. Delizz is a seed-grown strawberry that is gonna start producing lots of fruit right from the first year. I'm also gonna sprinkle on a few toasted pumpkin seeds from a pumpkin called Pepitas. This is a pumpkin that looks beautiful for decoration in the fall and also produces lots of hulla seeds great for eating. Now, in Spanish, pepitas means pumpkin seed. So we're actually putting on pepitas. Finally, I'm gonna chop up a few fennel fronds. Remember, we said you could eat the fronds, the pollen, and the seeds. I'm gonna whisk together a nice light vinaigrette with white balsamic vinegar. It's so good. Crisp and fresh, sweet from the strawberries, a little bit of toasted nuttiness from those pepitas. For this and for more garden fresh, simple, seasonal, delicious recipes, visit allamericasselections.org. And for the many reasons you grow food, from garden to table, enjoy.